Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up manage charging access permissions with ChargePoint Admins step by step clearly. To begin, log into your ChargePoint account. Navigate to the admin portal from the dashboard. Select the Access Permissions tab from the menu. Click on Manage Users to view existing user accounts. If you need to add a new user, click on the Add New User button. Enter the user's name and email address in the appropriate fields. Set the user's role according to their responsibilities. Choose whether to grant the user charging access permissions. If granting access, specify the charging stations they can use. Click Save to create the user profile. To edit permissions for existing users, find the user in the list. Click on the user's name to open their profile settings. Adjust the charging access permissions as necessary. For bulk user updates, use the Bulk Actions feature. Upload a CSV file with user details and permissions. Follow the prompts to ensure the file is formatted correctly. Review the changes before finalizing the upload. To revoke access, select the user and click on Revoke Access. Confirm the action in the pop-up window. Monitor user activity by checking the activity log. This log provides insights on how charging permissions are being used. Regularly review user permissions to maintain security. Ensure that you have an up-to-date list of users with active permissions. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage charging access permissions within ChargePoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.